Hey guys, welcome to Cool Kids Acha. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami tulip. Now this is really simple, it's very easy origami. You're just going to need 2 pieces of paper, and it'd be best if one piece is smaller than the other. That would make it look a little more nice. So you're going to make the petals part of the tulip. You're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half and make sure the point is in front of you. So you want this point in front and this point in front. And you're just going to make sure they meet. And you have to make sure on both sides that the lines meet right there. And then you're going to open it up and fold it this way. So you're going to turn the paper. You're going to fold it again. You're going to make sure that's right. And it's right. So now you're going to fold it in half. And then you're going to fold it in half this way. Then it should look something like this. It should have this many cracks. And you're going to fold it in half. And you might notice that it's kind of opening like that, which is good. And you're going to push it all the way to the middle. And then take the front little piece and push it over to one side. And take the back one, push it over to the other side. And this is going to be that. And then you're going to take this corner. And if you can see the middle line, you're going to bring it all the way over to the middle line. So once you bring it over, there's going to be a little line here, which is going to be kind of like your guideline. And you're just going to fold this over until you line like that. And then you're going to turn it. And you're going to do the exact same thing on every side. And then you go like that. You do the exact same thing on all the sides. And if you want to know where you get origami paper, you could just use regular paper cut into a square. Or you could go to the dollar store, that's where I got mine, or any craft store would probably have some origami paper. And the next step you're going to do is just open it up. So from the bends, you're just going to flatten the bends out and try to get them to not be bended. You're just going to try to make them flat. And just one more side. And that's going to be the top of your tulip. Now we're for the stem of the tulip. So you're going to fold it over here. And that was wrong. You're not going to use this one. So you're going to fold it over this way. So that you have one from the point to the other point. Then you're going to bend it. Then you're going to bend this down. So that it'll be kind of pointy, like an airplane. Then you're going to do the same on the other side. Then you're going to take the bottom 2 things over here, and you're going to bring those up. Just like this. So then you're going to have kind of something like a diamond. Then for one last time, you're going to bring the top ones back down. So you're going to do the same thing you just did, but with the top ones. Okay. And then you're just going to fold it in half. And you want one piece, the one that's more pointy, this one, to be slightly, like a little bit above the other one. this one's kind of going to be a leaf and this one's going to be the stem. So you want the stem to be bigger than the leaf. So I'm going to leave it at that much. And then I'm just going to fold it right at the middle. And then you don't want it to be exactly like that. You might want to bend it a little. So you're going to push hard. And you might be wondering, how is this going to go on here? Well, you're going to have, this is not origami when you use scissors, but that's the only way you can get it on. So you're going to make a tiny little snip at the end, and a tiny snip this way. And then on the pointier one, which for me is this one, I'm just going to poke it through. It might be a little difficult if your hole isn't big enough, so you might want to go and fix your hole. And there is your tulip. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications if you want to know when we make a new video. Bye guys!